Good morning, children. On previous turn, we had studied milk teeth and permanent teeth, right? We had seen that what are milk teeth and what are permanent teeth. Today, we are going to study types of teeth. Okay, so students, here on this page there are two images. Firstly, all of you open your page number 11 and see. There are two images, this one and this one, of teeth, right? So, what you can see in these images, are all the teeth are of same type? All the teeth are of same type or not in these pictures? No, na? These teeth are not same type. See, these teeth are different than this teeth, and these teeth are different from these teeth, right? The teeth which are at the front means these teeth are different from these teeth which are at the corner, right? So why? Because teeth are of different types. So let's start types of teeth. Students, there are 4 types of teeth. Okay, in an adult human being, in an adult person, adult means after 18 years, in an adult person there are 32 teeth, right? And in these 32 teeth, 4 types of teeth are there. The first one is incisor, second is canine, third is molar, and fourth is premolar, right? 4 types of teeth are there: incisor, canine, premolars and molars. And in milk teeth, in a child is having milk teeth or temporary teeth. So in these teeth, incisor are there. In a child, incisor teeth are present, canine teeth are also present, but molars are also present, but premolars are not present, right? So premolar teeth are absent in a child, or in a milk teeth or temporary teeth, premolar teeth are absent. Okay, now let's discuss 4 types of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. They are used for cutting and slicing the food. Incisor are the 4 front teeth in each jaw, so there are 8 incisors in all. Students, you can see these teeth: first, second, third and fourth. First, second, third and fourth. Okay, these four teeth of the front are called incisors. You can see here also this white part. Okay, this white part is the incisor part of an incisor teeth, and this part is fixed in the gums, inside the gums. This peach color part, this orangish color part fixed in the gums, and this white color part is present above the gums. Okay, so there are 8 incisor teeth in our mouth. 4 in the upper jaw. I told you this is our upper jaw and it is our lower jaw. So in the upper jaw, the front 4 teeth are incisors, and in lower jaw also the front 4 teeth are incisors. So 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw, there are total 8 incisors, right? Okay. And what is the function of incisor teeth? Their function is to cutting and slicing the food. Means if anything you want to cut it, an apple or anything, then you cut with the help of your front teeth, right? With the help of your incisors, like this. Okay, so incisors are used for cutting and slicing. The next is canines or tearing teeth. Now these canines are pointed. You can see, students, this white part, it is pointed or not? It is pointed now. Here also you can see this teeth is pointed now. So these pointed teeth are called canines. Canines are sharp and pointed. They are used for tearing the food, and incisors are used for cutting and slicing the food, right? Like this. And canines are used for tearing the food. For example, when the person eats non-veg, then to tear that piece of non-veg, we use canine teeth, right? So carnivores means the animals who eat flesh, right? So in carnivores animals, these canines are well developed. These canine teeth are well developed. You can see canine tooth is present on each side of the incisor, 4 canines in total, and in upper jaw and in lower jaw. Carnivores like tiger and the lion have sharp canines. I told you, in carnivores animals like The animals who eat flesh like tiger, lion, in these animals carnivorous teeth are very well developed, because tigers and lions eat flesh of any other animals, so their mouth, the canine teeth are well developed, right? Okay, now you have studied that 4 incisor in upper jaw means 8 incisors total in our mouth. How many incisors? 8 incisors. But how many canines are there in our each jaw? Students, in our each jaw 2 canines are there, one at this side of the one at this side of the incisor and one at this side of the incisor. So 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. So total how many canines are there? Total 4 canines are there. You can see total 4 canines are there. Okay. So this was all about incisor and canine. Now premolars and molars. Premolars, these teeth are broad and present next to the canine. After the canine, which teeth are present? Premolars teeth are present. After the canine, premolar teeth are present. There are a total of 8 premolar, 4 in each jaw, and 4 premolar in the upper jaw present, 4 premolar in the lower jaw are present. Okay, so let's see. These are the premolars. Okay, these are the premolars. So 2 here is present and 2 here is present. At one side of canine, 2 premolars are there. At other side of also 2 premolars are there. So 2 to 4 premolars in lower jaw and 4 premolars same in upper jaw, right? Okay, so total there are 8 premolars. They help to crack the food and chew it properly. And what is the function of premolar teeth? The function of incisor is to bite or cutting or slicing, right? The function of incisor teeth is cutting and slicing. The function of canine is tearing the flesh, okay, like tearing the flesh, tearing the food. And premolars are used to crack the food and chew it properly. Premolars are mainly used for chew the food properly. Mainly whatever food we eat, roti, rice, whatever we eat, so we chew that food properly with the help of our premolar teeth. They very properly they crush the food and grind the food. Like in mixer we grind anything we can grind in mixer. In same way in our mouth we can grind, we can crush very properly each food with the help of premolar teeth. Okay, the next is molar, and see these are the broad teeth. Okay, this is the premolar. They are not pointed, they are the broad teeth. Okay, now the next is molar or grinding teeth. They are bigger. Molar teeth are bigger than other teeth, flatter. Their surface is flat. You can see these are the flat teeth. These are the flat teeth. Okay, so these are the flat and broad teeth, big teeth, and they are broad also. They are broad than premolar teeth. Okay, and in each jaw there are 6 molars. These molars, where these molars are present next to the premolars. Okay, if these are, see students, if these are molars, sorry, these are premolars, so next to the premolar means these are the molars. In quite corner of our mouth these molar teeth are present. 3 in each jaw there are 6 molars, 3 at this side of the premolar and 3 at this side of the premolar. Total there are 6 molars, okay, in each jaw. And in one jaw there are 6 molars, and in other jaw also there are 6 molars, means total there are 12 molars. Okay, so there are 6 molars in each jaw, and in both jaw there are 12 molars. And what are the function of molar teeth? Students, their function is also to grind and crush the food properly. Very properly to crush and grind the food we use these molar teeth. So I told you student that in carnivorous animals canines teeth are very well developed, because canines are pointed teeth, right? So in carnivorous animals they are very well developed. But what about molars and premolars? Molars and premolars are well developed in herbivores, because herbivores are the animals who eat plants, right? Who eat plants and parts of the plants. So in herbivores premolar and molar teeth are very well developed. You can see in herbivores have well developed premolar and molar to chew and grind the food properly, to chew their food and grind the food properly. There are premolar and molar teeth are very well developed in herbivorous animals, right? Okay, so let's see in this table, students. Incisor are 4, canines are 2, premolars are 4 and molars are 6 in each jaw. Okay, so 6 and 4 10, 10 and 2 12, 12 and 4 16, 16 in each jaw, 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw, means total there are 32 teeth, right? That's why on previous time I had told you that the permanent teeth, how many permanent teeth are there? 32 permanent teeth are there. Okay, so students, this was all about the types of teeth. Okay, so today we have studied type of teeth. Now on next time we will study structure of a tooth. Thank you.